Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a pretty weird one, or let's say just a video that I didn't really plan out to do, but then I got these in the box mail, and it's basically an order from Graze. Now I got this box for free with one of their coupon code that I found in the Tesco magazine, and I thought, why not give it a go? Why not filming it, doing like a sort of unboxing and also testing type of thing. So I guess that's what we're going to do today. So this is basically a free box. This was the coupon code that I used. I got this tasty snack box for free. So I mean, I heard about Graze for quite a while, even when I was back at home. Never got to try that, don't know how it is, but I guess we're just gonna figure that out. So, what if better snacking started here? Well, some tasty snack, each box personalized to you and then delivered free to your door. That's kind of like what they say. Now I'm actually really excited to open this box and see if it's any good. So I guess we're just gonna dive into it. How can I not be able to open this box? Come on. You see this part? It just won't come off. Oh, that's so annoying. I don't know what to do. There we go. So I have to be completely honest with you guys. I did not open this box yet because I wanted to do that on camera, have my reaction on camera, and so I'm so excited to do that. Okay, let's go. Oh, okay, I see you. That's actually a really interesting box. Can you see that? It does look cute, doesn't it? Okay, so what do we got here? First of all, we got some paper thing. So this first one said, welcome to Graze. Your snacking journey starts right here with your free box. Hello Grazer, we're really pleased to have you on board. This is the start of your exciting new snack life. One where we handpick new and imaginative, flavorful creation just for you. This sounds really interesting. So sit back and enjoy. We'll take it from here. Bobby, Graze test expert. Spread the Graze love. What if snacking was its own reward? £1 off your box every time someone joined you with your promo code. Oh, that's cool. So I can technically give you guys some promo codes. That's so interesting. Okay, so my promo code, I will insert on the screen, is DQ5GWXY6B, and it's of course from Vanessa. So I will insert that on the screen if you guys want to get like a free box. So you will get your first and fifth and also 10th box for free if you do use my code, which I think is pretty handy. I mean, you can always like try the first one and then delete the thing if it's not like for you. But yeah, that's super handy. Thank you, Graze. And then what do we got here? Snacking Euros, flavor matching, infinitive invention, nation of graders. Oh, that's interesting. So that's kind of like a leaflet type of thing, and I think now we should just kind of like dive in the snacks because, like I said, they do look hella cute, don't they? So let's start with this first one. So this is a honeycomb flapjack. Is that how you say it? Rustic rolled out flapjack with honeycomb and chocolate drizzle. Okay, this does look cute. Can you tell? It's basically like a bar type thing. So this is pretty interesting. Then, oh my god, I'm so happy I got these. I actually wanted to try these. And then those are chocolate pretzel dippers. So, I mean, can we just appreciate that? I'm so excited. Okay, next up we got some raspberry superfood flapjack. So this is how those looks like, and I would say they're like kind of like the other one, but just like with raspberry, and I'm so excited. And then, oh my god, we have grilled cheese crunch. I am so excited. So basically, I don't know if it's actually personalized to you, but you take like a sort of kind of like a pool, so you can tell them like what you want in your box and what you don't by simply liking each like recipe and stuff. And the one that I got is like the variety box, but you can also get, I believe it was like the fiber box or something like that. So there were like 3 different type of boxes. Video, by the way, is not sponsored by Graze, so this is literally my first time trying them and reviewing their product. Basically, there are 3 different boxes you guys can choose from, so I decided to go ahead with the variety one because, you know, let's have a little bit of variety in our life. So yeah, I guess now I should like try these things, but should I do that now? So quickly disclaimer, I know this was kind of like the aim of this video, but I'm not gonna try and like taste the product now, just because I think it would be such a waste of well, not really money because I didn't pay for them, but just a waste of food opening all of them now and then, you know, leaving them open and stuff. So I decided that I will insert as a sort of comment while I'm talking about each one of the products, if I liked it, how I liked it, any of that, so you guys have an idea, but I just don't want to waste them. Also, if you guys noticed this, in the last couple of videos my background is being pretty blank, and that's because I'm not really inspired with my last background, the butterfly wall. I still think it looks super cute and tied up my room, but I'm not feeling it for my videos because it's not exactly how I picture it to be video wise. So lots of like the butterfly or like all the things that I've done, it wouldn't fit in the frame or it wouldn't look good in the frame. So I'm actually planning on doing another background on this blank wall right here, doing that with some kind of like art piece decor, like an art frame wall basically. So stay tuned for that because I have an exciting video coming soon that has something to do with this project that I'm working on, and yay. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, of course, be sure to give me a big thumbs up. Tell me in the comments below what you think and if you're going to try Graze out. And other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Oh, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Oh my god, how could I forget that? Bye!